present you the Disney Parks Holiday Train. So, I really like this train.
Me too, I love it really much.
This is the buffalo. This is the light. This is the cowcatcher, the bell. This is where the engineer sits.
And we call it the Holiday Express.
Yep, because it says here and here. So this is the Cold Dragon. This is for fun. It says Happy Holiday, like on the other train. There's Mickey Mouse, Donald, Daisy. And this is the Caboose, Pluto. Yeah. That's cool. It says Holiday Express again and a little T birdie. So let's get this train started. I thought we already used that thing.
And first, I'm going to show you how you couple the tracks together. It's really easy. Just couple them with it, and you do like that.
So you put the sound. It does a little bit the same sound of the other train we showed you later. Let's put it forward, backwards. So yeah, it can do a lot of stuff. And these little guys go up and down. Yeah. I really like this train.
Yeah,
huh?
it's really useful.
And you can put it under the tree. It's really beautiful under the tree.
And it can go backwards.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And what do I like? It's like a little bit, the caboose is a little bit the same thing as the other train in the back of the wagon. It had like a ladder too. This tree is really, really, really cool.
I love it.
Yeah.
I
One
love
of
when
my
it gives you noise and music, and
Me
it goes
too.
really great when it moves. And it can go backwards if you want to show how to go
Oh,
backwards.
yeah. Yeah, it goes backwards. That's right.
So, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.